Dear friends, let us make very tasty savory biscuits today. These biscuits have several layers just like we have in puff pastry. For this we need 4 cups gluten-free all-purpose flour, 1.5 cup buttermilk, that is homemade dahi whisked along with its liquid, 1 cup 230 to 240 grams grated butter, 4 tablespoon gluten-free baking powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Let us add salt and baking powder to gluten-free flour and mix it. Spread grated butter uniformly throughout the mix and using your hands combine very well. After it has combined well, we will start adding whisked buttermilk little by little and make a sticky but soft dough. With the addition of very little dry flour, spread out as a rectangle using your hands on a work surface and fold it into 3 layers, one on top of the other, and press out again. Use very little dry flour for pressing out this dough. When it is about ½ inch thick, press out circles of your desired size and place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. You can brush this with egg or milk for brushing them. Bake at 190 to 200 degrees C in a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. You can see all the layers which are visible from all the sides. These can be separated and can be filled with cheese, whipped cream or jam and served to your family. Do try this yummy biscuit recipe. For more such recipes, please do like, share and subscribe to Gluten Free India. Thank you.